What's up, vlog? I'm going outside right now. I don't know exactly what we're doing today, but I am got my ratchet decal sweater on. It's raining out again. And yeah. Alright, I'm in the truck now, warming it up. Actually, 2 days ago, the truck just kept overheating for some reason. Like, it just, every time I was at a stoplight or I went and stopped somewhere, it would overheat. I was just so pissed off, but it ended up being low coolant, and then when I burped it, it got low coolant, so there was no burping it just kept getting air in the system. I don't know, but yeah, it's actually pretty nice out today. It's been sunny and almost 70 the last 2 days, but right now it's raining again. I have clips from a couple days ago from me and my girlfriend going out. We went on a hike, and then we took my brother fishing for his kind of first time. I mean, he's been before, but he's never really been fishing. He just went with us. But yeah, so today I'll probably vlog what we're doing today, but I'm gonna add in those clips too because I really don't want them to go to waste. They actually were pretty fun. I got my girlfriend to climb up this huge rock, which she's afraid of heights, and I got her to climb this huge rock. And I forgot to record. I got her to climb up this huge like tower thing on the outside, and I forgot to record it, which sucks because I tried like 10 times to get her to go up there, and I finally got her to go up there, and I didn't record it. But whatever, I guess you'll see what I'm doing today. While we're on the topic of trucks though, I think last time I talked to you, I don't know if I said it, but I installed two 10-inch subs in the back, which is my first ever subsystem. And I figured I wanted a little more bass, so now I have two 12s in the back. Yeah, I'm buying a new cowl hood for the truck, $800, and it's going to be painted the same color as my truck. And I bought the fifth wheel finally. When I bought these wheels, there was only 4 of them left, and they were not getting the fifth wheel back in stock forever, and it was finally in stock, so I ordered it. That's coming Tuesday. Today's I forgot my watch. Today is Wednesday, so it's coming next Tuesday. And I'm finally getting the lift. I just got interrupted by a phone call. But yeah, if you guys like any of that stuff, if you want to see how the cowl hood looks on the Durango, if you want to see the 12-inch subs, if you want to see the lift kit finally go on the Durango, subscribe. There's a lot happening in the next, I'll say a month, because I think it's going to be less than a month, but I'll give it about a month just in case stuff goes over. So within the next month, there's going to be a lot happening with this truck that's going to change the look of it, like, completely. I changed the look of it. I have pictures of the first day I picked it up, and then pictures now, and it looks completely different. But this stuff is going to completely change it, and it's going to be awesome. So make sure you subscribe so you can see it. What's up, vlog? I sitting in my truck right now, waiting to go get coffee. And the lift kit for my truck was supposed to be in today, and it's not. And I am very upset because eBay, I've had a problem with eBay before. My green fog lights, they were supposed to come in like 3 or 4 days later, and they ended up coming in a month later, like legit a month. So now I'm nervous to see, I'm nervous that these aren't gonna come in right away, and I need it this week. Like, I needed it today so I can text my friend and let him know that I have the lift so we can put it on. And then the sooner I get the lift, the sooner I can get it lifted. I will have a vlog after it's lifted and I can show you what it looks like. So I don't know, I'll pick this, I just want to let you know that I'll pick this vlog back up. I'm going to Starbucks now. Oh, and another thing is, a lot of people were worried about driving in the rain with their intake, with their new intake. Yeah, I don't have a problem with that. It's not a big deal for me. But, well, this Starbucks is fucked, so I guess I'm not going to this one. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Well, I know what's going on. Starbucks is always packed around this time. I don't know why. It's 11 o'clock. Can you guys get your coffee at like 8 a.m. like normal people? I'm only going late because I wanted to actually sleep in today. I don't sleep in any day, so I wanted to actually sleep in, but I don't know. Guess I'll just have to try again when I pick up my girlfriend. I just passed the cop back there that was in front of me when I tried starting a clip before. I don't know if y'all guys would like clips like this. I don't know. There's nobody really watching. But I will do this little clip. I'll probably speed it up. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but yeah, I'm trying to find something interesting right now, but I don't have anything because it's pouring ass rain out like always. Oh, and anybody who wants to see more stuff about me, like anybody who just stumbles on my videos and wants to see more about me or my truck, pretty much mostly my truck, go to my Instagram. I always link it down in the description. I'm very, very active on there. I post daily. All right, so we're at this trail thing. I just walked up a big hill because we went all the way down the trail. And I came up to the truck because I wanted to film some clips down there. I forgot a tripod. So I'm pulling my straps off the roof rack to get something to hold on to the truck, or not the truck. These won't hold the truck. I'm grabbing these to hold onto a phone. I'm gonna attach them to a tree. There's no tripod, so we left the tripod at home. So, gotta be innovative. Got these. I'm gonna get some clips of us going down, and I'm gonna attach them to a tree. She's already down here. Right there. Oh my God. I walked down a hill. Almost fell. I have clips from the other day that we came here, and I never finished it. We never finished the journey or even made a good video, so those clips are gonna go in, and then these clips are gonna go in, so.
You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Cold as ice and cold. Open up.
Shit, I just dropped my phone. We came to a stream. Just crossing now. I'm going to cross this way. Oh, I made it. Small trail.
Open up, you open, bitch, you won't be we should be closer than friends. If you open, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open, take that my golden band. Up here.
Really? Babe?
Yeah.
We're leaving the place now. I guess I'll end the video here. I'm currently sinking in mud, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm probably gonna start the next video here, which is why I'm here, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you want, I guess, because there's more coming with that thing. Yeah, so have fun. Bye.